The next thing, as we talk about really kind of thriving in flexible, all learning landscapes, is which of these explanations and which of these models might be best presented in a video and which would be best presented in maybe differentiated small group instruction with the teacher. So one of the things I do a lot around work around is helping teachers to figure out what are those explanations? What's that instruction? What are those models they can shift into a video format? Because they are going to say the same thing the same way to all students. Because if you're going to say the same thing the same way for everybody, or show them a process in the exact same way, or the exact same model, then those are best captured in video, because what that does is allow students to control the experience. They can pause, they can rewind, they can rewatch that explanation as many times as they need to. Then what are those explanations or models that are really going to benefit from some differentiation? Maybe you're going to explain things differently or use different words or examples as you explain something. Maybe you're going to choose different